We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly within this, we mentioned how we can look at this. First of all, we mentioned the ways what we have here. We can expect turn to a correction for one more drop. And beside that, we mentioned even we can look for one of the second option was made this we can get the reversal from here. But beside that, and beside all these things, we mentioned if we get any correction here, we can look for buy, but what we want to get the sharp move, not the corrective move. And also we mentioned we can have entry at 12.2 in case the price sharply continue from here. Anyway, even if we get a trade set up, the way was moving was already corrective. This is where we mentioned we should take out the trade, and having entry above this not valid because we wanted to get the sharp move, not the corrective move, similar to any of this. Okay, that's why when we see this one, then we came up this one is a correction for one more drop, and this is what we get. But this part, most of the chart drop, is not part of the our analysis. This is what we have been looking for in relative to this. That's why when the price was here, we mentioned we can expect this one turn to a correction for one more drop. Okay, this is how we have been looking for. But we mentioned any trade setup with a short move, we will take it, but there was a trade setup, but there was a corrective. That's why we take out the trade. And now we move to daily chart. We want to see how we can look for chart based on daily chart. This is what we have been what we are looking for. We want to see whether this is a correction can turn to a correction or for continuation, or still we can put this one in relative to this for one more drop. Mostly we can expect to for reversal. Anyway, we move to daily chart, and based on daily chart, as we can see, the price drop and retest the previous low. But right now we don't have any trade set up. Okay, the best thing is we wait, we get the correction based on lower time frame because this the weight drop is really sharp, and most of the charts we have this down move. Okay, right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. It's better we wait another a few hours. We see how we can look for trade. That means we need to get the correction. If we get the correction similar to what I draw here, we can look for sell. Okay, but right now what we have is not enough. We need to this one turn to deep correction if we wants to look for sell. But if we get any reversal with the flag, we can look for reversal as a buy. But as I mentioned, we have to wait. Right now, this is not enough for us to give us a direction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.